You're probably asking yourself, what are the requirements to become a Forex trader? So there are things that you need to become a Forex trader. On today's video, I'm going to tell you more about those things. Make sure that you stay tuned. Funny enough, I came across this book. I wrote these things back then in 2019, if I'm not mistaken. So I just went through them and I've realized I need to make a video and make people aware of the things that you need to become a profitable, not to become a profitable trader, but to become a trader in South Africa. So number one, what you need is you must be over 18 years. We all know that some of the things that you need to do, you need to be 18 years old, like drinking alcohol and so on. So also in forex trading, you need to be 18 years old to trade, because they're going to require you an ID number to know that you are above 18 years. So there are people who have started trading at the age of 17, 16. Those people are using their mother's account, or maybe they are using someone who's above 18 years old. So I will advise, if you are lower than 18 years old, make sure that you take someone else who's above 18 years old and register to the broker that you want to register, because it's not going to allow you to open a broker based on your age. On number two, we have everyone is allowed to trade. Once you become above 18 years old, just know that you are more welcome to trade. You are more welcome to risk your money. You are now responsible for the things that you do. And then on number two, we have smartphone and laptop. That's all you need. You don't need an Elfis. You don't need a fancy an Apple 13 Pro Max, or maybe a MacBook or something. You just need a phone that can download apps, as an Android and iOS. That's all you need. When it comes to phone, when it comes to laptop, every laptop can trade. We're talking about our Windows 10. Currently now we are running on Windows 11. So all the laptops and phone, majority of them, you can be able to trade on them. Whether it's a phone that costs maybe 1,000 rand or 700, as long as it's a smartphone and it has an Android, then you can trade. And also number four, you need internet connection or a data. Internet connection, we are talking about a Wi-Fi, myself, rain and all those stuff. On my side, I'm using a rain and I'm absolutely okay with it, because I don't have any problem with it. So you need an internet connection and a data, so you can connect yourself into an online space to trade, such as TradingView. If you go to TradingView, you need an internet, you need data, you need airtime to be able to access TradingView, to be able to access your funds, to transfer your funds from a broker to whatever app that you are going to use to trade. You need an internet to do so. You need an internet to search for a broker. You need an internet to do most of the things. So if you want to be a trader, you need to require internet, and not an internet that is taking. You need to have a proper internet that is not going to give you problems sometimes while you are still trading, and then there's some clash or something, and then you end up placing trades later because of the internet connection, or maybe you lose some of the trades because there was no internet connection, or the internet connection was poor. So you need a proper one. I will advise people to use a 5G or 365 megabits per second. Those Wi-Fi are pretty much faster compared to the one that we are using. I'm also using a moderate one, not a higher standard one. So I will develop when times goes on. And then number five, you need an app to trade on, which is Metal Trader and Metal Trader 5. The funny part is that I wrote Metal Trader and Metal Trader 5, but now I'm currently using a C Trader. And I've realized when I've written these things, I only knew about Metal Trader 4 and Metal Trader 5. So there are other platforms that you can use to trade Forex. So I currently use IC Trader. As you can see by the screenshot here, these are the sniper entries. You can see by the graphics that it's not a Metal Trader 4. This is C Trader. So, and then on number 6, we have a minimum of $10. That's the least amount that you can trade off. But in South Africa, there are brokers that you can trade using 20 rand, using 30 rand, using the lower amount. So here I said a minimum of $10,000 because at that time I didn't know any local broker. Why, when I was writing this thing, I only knew international brokers because I started trading on XM. Is an international broker. It requires you to have at least $10, but there are brokers that don't require you to have $10, like I can't remember what is it called, but then it requires you to have at least $100 to trade. So it depends on the broker that you are using, whether it will allow you to use a certain amount of money. There are requirements, but some of the requirements don't actually apply. Like C3, like IC Market, they say they want $100, but you can be able to deposit $10 and be able to trade. The last tip I already mentioned it, which is a broker. You need a broker to trade Forex. You can't trade Forex without a broker. You need a broker. A broker is a middleman between you placing your trades and them placing them in an actual market. So you need a broker, and if you going to make a research of a broker, please make sure that you research properly, because some brokers are scammers, some brokers are not treating their clients very well, some brokers are running away with the money. So make sure that you check for a broker that is reliable and also registers with the FSCA, so that if maybe you lost your money not fair and square by the market, you are able to report them and they will pay you back. So if you want to know more about brokers that I can recommend to you, make sure that you comment down below. I will let you know which broker you can use and which broker are not trustworthy to use. So make sure that you hit the subscribe button and also like this video so that YouTube can recommend this video to other people who need help on this video. So if you want to know about more of the apps that you really need to trade Forex, make sure that you comment down below.